Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This has a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats, driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 22,103. Push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and navigation system, as well as backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel, center console, and climate control. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.